Hello friends. Recently one of my friend asked a question whether there is any inbuilt Excel function available to do the sum of cells having specific color. For example, he has a data cells colored with different colors. One is green, some are with red, some are with pink, and he want a total of only those cells. And he wanted to use the regular function like sum, a simple function. As per my understanding, there is no such inbuilt function available in Excel, but we can create one using VBA, a function with VBA. First, let me demonstrate what is the final outcome should be, and then let me explain how to create that function in VBA. Initially, I would like to have the blue total, but if you look at the data is not colored with blue, so the result should be 0. I've created 4 different functions: blue sum, green sum, red sum and pink sum, equal blue sum, and the way I selected for sum function, I'm selecting this also, entire range and close bracket. Since there is no cell colored with blue, the result will be 0. But since already the function is used and now the data is already been considered, let me select a color and add it to this. Now the same result is coming into that cell through the formula because we have now colored with blue. If I remove the color back to, and then if I just refresh this function, that value will go off. Same way, let me do it again. So let me select this and then select this value is coming. Same way, green total, I want to use the function called green sum, and if I select all the cells, the value is there. And if I increase the colors, if I color other cells with green, accordingly the total will get increased. Same way, red sum, and then the same way pink sum. Now let me explain how to create these functions in VBA so that we can use these functions in our desktop, and then we can share these formulas to others also so that they can also have this kind of scenarios. To explain this entire process, I have created a brand new workbook where I have created some values, and then now I need to jump into Visual Basic Editor to get the code. So let me jump into Visual Basic Editor. So there, let me add a module, insert module. So there, let me increase the size so that you can see it properly. Let me increase the size to 24. Now I need to use a function procedure. So initially I'm creating a basic sum formula, recreating the sum formula, but I'll name it as blue sum. So function blue sum. Here I need to define a variable, declare a variable, that is variable name is range, RNG as range. You can type any other name. Instead of RNG, you can write even your name as well, but for me it is good. Now I need to declare another variable because I am dealing with the cell by cell. If you look at sum formula, it will actually deal with cell by cell. So I need to declare a variable dim cell as range. So each cell will be collected, and based on that the sum formula will create the value. I need to say start equal to 0, and then because whenever you keep the cursor when you are starting with sum formula, your cell value, the current cell value always will be 0. Now I need to use a for next loop or for each next loop. For each cell in range, I'm creating a loop, so I'm just adding next, and in between I need to say start equal start plus cell dot value, because each cell will be added, and then suppose you are creating 2 cells sum, 1 plus 1 2. If you add third cell having 2, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 4, so that way it has to add values. So finally I need to define what is my value for blue sum equal start, because start is giving me the final value. So this is a recreation of some function. So let me go back to Excel. There I need to use this function equal sum. Let me just show you sum function first. This is the value. I'm using blue sum, and if I use this, the value for both the formulas is same. That means I have recreated the sum formula again. So let me just create, this is formula text, this is sum, and this is blue sum. Now I'm coming back to the function. I need to create a function with the color combination. So if the color is this, then only it has to give the sum. So let me go back to VBA. So there, let me select this. Now I need to create a if function, if condition, if cell.interior.color equal RGB blue, because I am dealing with blue now, then only this has to happen. And then I say and if. So now this guy is giving me only the blue cell values. Now let me see what happens when I use this function. Go back to the Excel. There, if I just refresh it, this formula will throw 0 because there is no cell containing blue color. So now let me select the blue color and paste on any value. Now you can see only the blue color is blue colored cells value only coming there. That means what? It is actually giving the sum of only blue color values. For example, if I add color to another cell, the value will increase. Same way, now I need to just copy paste those code part. Let me jump into Visual Basic Editor. I need to just copy this, paste it. This will not be blue, this will be now green. Make sure that I am changing the name everywhere. So this is green and this is also green. Likewise, I need to green, then red, then RGB red, and then this also let me copy this again, and this is pink. Pink, and then this also pink. Now you can use all these functions one by one to get the respective value. Let me go back to Excel. Now equal pink sum. Let me select all the cells the way we select for sum. Currently it is 0. Let me select the pink cell and paste on any value. Accordingly the color value is coming. So this is pink sum. Same way I can do red. So let me select a red color, then red sum, and select all the values, and then accordingly you will be getting the sum of only red color cells. Hope you have understood the concepts discussed in this video, and if you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section. I've shared the file link in the description. Please download and start practicing. Please do subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, please share with many and ask them to subscribe so that as and when I upload a new video, they will get the notification. Thank you very much.